Greece's stock market opened after being shut down for 5 weeks. Trading, I should say, ended with the exchange's worst performance since 1985. Bank shares hammered a lot. All this as the entire country waits for this third bailout deal. Irini Zakhadoula has this from Athens.
Another Black Monday for the Greek economy. After a 5-week shutdown, Greece's stock market reopened, but immediately tanked in the first half hour, recovering slightly.
The reopening is a positive sign, since the shutdown prevented traders from expressing their point of view on what had been happening in the market. We expect a period of turbulence. How long it will continue will depend on political developments.
The country's 4 biggest lenders, Piraeus Bank, Alpha Bank, the National Bank of Greece and Eurobank, all plunged 30% the daily loss limit immediately after the open. Greece's banks have seen deposits depleted during the financial crisis. Many Greeks have withdrawn their euros in fear the country would be damned from the Eurozone.
When I look back at the tickers, I see negative 16%, negative 12%, negative 30%. This is the first day of the reopening of the Greek stock market, a positive step towards the slow recovery of the Greek economy. Nevertheless, the main Athens index plunged 23% in the early deals.
Bad day for the Athens stock.
Even though some restrictions were implemented, it was still an agonizing day for investors. Although Greece struck a bailout deal with creditors last month, financial observers say Greece faces a potentially long road back to recovery.
If the agreement goes through, if the third memorandum is signed off, and everybody hopes that this will be the case, if Greece's position in the Eurozone will be assured, then there might be significant investment opportunity for foreign investors to come and invest in Greece.
Greece suspended all trading at the end of June, when the country fell into default on its debt. Capital controls were introduced, including the closure of banks and financial markets. The banks reopened on July 20th with some restrictions after Europe agreed in principle to a new bailout. But the shutdown caused a large part of the economy to seize up. It is hoped in the coming weeks Greece and its creditors will work through negotiations and give the country access to its third bailout package. Irini Zakhadoula, CCTV, Athens.